This is the plastic that is separating us from our main bedroom in the nursery and for moving forward with our entire house remodel. We have been living in a construction zone since we moved in for almost 3 years now.
We actually wanted to buy a house that needed a lot of work so that we could immediately start building sweat equity into it. Now we have a working bathroom, working kitchen. We're living in a bedroom that's already been fixed.
And then we wanted to start a family. But here will be our future nursery, and we're so excited about it to have it done.
It's been time for us to start a family. We've been wanting to start a family. This house project has been the one delay factor where it's year after year, it's pushing it back another year, pushing it back another year. We had to get help. I couldn't continue the project. We needed to get help.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi.
Welcome in.
Hey, thanks.
Yep. Treadmill in the living room.
Caught me off guard. Wow, so this is the kitchen you guys did?
Yes, so this is the side of the house that's completed.
The kitchen looks great.
Thank you.
So you're only using half of your house right now?
Literally less than half of the house right now.
Let's see what you've got.
So right here on your right, you'll see the bathroom. This is the first bathroom, well, the only bathroom in the house that is existing right now.
Is this the other part of your house?
This is the big divide. Come through the magic zipper into the project side of the house.
Oh my goodness. What have you done? Wow, honestly, this is way more than I expected.
Thank you, I guess.
They have this weight on their shoulders, and you can tell that they're overwhelmed.
I'm just looking up above you, right? This roof tie-in. I haven't seen anything that looks quite like that. I need to make sure it's either to plan or it might need to be changed because you don't want to have a leak.
And we want to have a family, and this is not functional or safe for a baby to live in at all.
No, not even close.
I've always wanted to be a father. Being able to complete this project and be able to start a family is going to be a dream come true.
Okay, so this is your hallway.
Yep.
Sam and Katrina's new addition has a nursery, a new main bedroom and bathroom with a walk-in closet.
This is actually the room where I hit my breaking point. If you look there, that's my blood. As I was doing demo right there was a wire sticking out and the wire went in my arm right here. My hand went limp. I moved back and blood started spraying out of my hand.
Spraying out everywhere. Like there was blood drips all the way out to the door.
And it wasn't like a little drip, it was literally spraying, and I'd never seen anything like that in my life. So immediately I'm like, oh my goodness, this is horrible.
It's so unfortunate that it took something this serious and severe for him to realize that he needed to stop.
Looking through this entire addition, it seems like every single room, there's something that is like a standout, oh my goodness, we have to fix this, we have to figure this out. Like, I will protect your budget. I am going to call on you as much as you're available to come help me.
Life will be a lot easier once all of it is done. Although, immediately after this is done, we want to have a baby and a family, so there'll be different stresses that we'll have to tackle, but such is life.
We're a good team.
How's it going?
It's going.
My stucco guys are here, and we are getting the stucco up on this house. Time is money. I promised to get Sam and Katrina back in their house in a month, but first, we need our engineer to check the framing, we need to set up the electrical, and we need to relocate the toilet before I'm even comfortable calling for an inspection.
We're going to at least open up the concrete.
Moving this drain line, I mean, this is a big deal. Are you guys gonna fix this today?
We're going to fix that today, yes.
Okay, good. To relocate the toilet drain and replace all the plumbing, it's gonna cost $2,500. So as far as the main bedroom goes, we are coming along. Tile is grouted. We are making some progress. This bathroom is also coming along. It looks like a bathroom. So today we're going to install the tile, which is a big step. The world's biggest shower.
I know, right?
Both Sam and Katrina have told me that their style is less traditional. It's definitely modern. This bathroom has to feel like a modern retreat. Initially, you know, I wanted to do slab walls.
Right.
It would have taken, what, 3 slabs, I think it was?
Yeah,
To do
exactly.
this?
They're so expensive.
It doesn't make sense. My overall budget for the bathroom is $22,000. One of the ways that I'm going to make it feel really ultra modern is by having large format tile in the shower that, when installed with really small grout lines, almost feels like it's real marble slab. Let me see. Yeah, so everything lines up.
Yeah, $5,400 for all the install, which sounds like a lot. But when you're dealing with something of this large format, it's hard to level out, get the grout lines exactly perfect.
There's a lot that has to happen for this bathroom to be finished, and I have to be super aware of the budget. I want Sam and Katrina's closet to be stylish and sleek and really functional. That said, I've already spent $22,000 on their bathroom, so I don't have very much money to spend on this closet. I've called my friend Jack, who owns a carpentry business, and she's hopefully going to help me get this closet done on budget. This closet, built out with like a full, legit closet system, would be like, I don't know, $10,000, $15,000 plus. All these materials, the wood, pre-built boxes. What do we have? 6 of these, right? Correct. Once everything's installed and painted, which I want to talk more about that, $2,500. The name of the game for this closet is like simple design, big impact. Once the construction is clear, I like to have Hazel come to work with me sometimes because my job hasn't slowed down. Having her at work makes it feel like I get to see her a little bit more. Do you need this tool that she has?
Yes.
This is gonna go great.
Thank you so much.
Man.
I was really excited when I heard you're putting barn doors on.
Yeah, and I think people think, oh, like barn doors, and they think of like rustic, like, oh, nice, pretty, right?
Look at that. She likes it.
I feel like this hardware, this like solid slab, this like nice handle,
Yep.
this all feels really modern.
Does.
Hey, can you give Scott his tool, please? Because he needs that. Say thank you.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
so much. You did it. She did it. That's so cool. Yay.
Sam and Katrina are on their way. This was one of the hardest projects, definitely one of the toughest projects I've ever taken on, in the sense that it was old construction meets new construction, DIY like I've never seen in my life, and unfortunately a lot of DIY fails. So being able to take over this project for Sam and Katrina and get it done right, that's huge. So I can't wait to show them, and I can't wait for them to just like live here. The day, it's finally here.
Finally
So
here.
excited.
Look how pretty you look. Ready for this?
So ready.
excited.
Yeah?
So ready.
You guys are the ones that started this project. I kind of feel like it should be just the 2 of you going inside to see it for the first time.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right.
you.
Have fun.
And the nursery.
Oh my God, this is so cute.
Oh, this is awesome. Just perfect.
Deciding to start a family is a huge decision. You don't want to be stuck under a endless construction project. So being able to take over this project, finish it, it's safe, it's done right. They can just move in and move forward with their life. This is exactly what they needed.
Oh my gosh.
This room is amazing.
Jasmine literally hit every single
They did a
design
whole
that we
wall
wanted.
decoration. Look at that.
beautiful. She had to put wood pieces.
Yeah, that's like built in.
This is perfect. This is the exact type of style that I was looking for.
Guys, what do you think?
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, Jasmine!
Great.
This is amazing.
so happy that you like
so
it.
much.
You're welcome.
This is perfect.
Okay, so I know you're like dying to see what's behind the doors.
Yes.
Yeah?
Stop torturing us.
All right. Go ahead, go on in there.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm incredibly grateful for the attention to detail that you put into this project. It really does shine through. This is a turning point in our life. I don't think there's anything more sacred than bringing new life into the world, and we're gonna do it now in this home. And we owe that in part to Jasmine.
Katrina, what's next?
Babies.
Hey, Jasmine, we have some exciting news. We're pregnant.